We will now be looking at Ideology Part 3 concerning the three-quarter white circle. Point 1. My first translation was that the three-quarter white circle was the sun. This is because there are three small dark triangles beneath it, which seemed to look like sun rays. Also, the right side of the image is brighter than the left. This could signify light. Point 2. My second thought was that it could be the moon. The moon is grey-white. Point 3. My third thought was that it could depict the Eucharist, the white circle being the bread dipped into the wine. Blood of Christ Jesus. The blood of Christ Jesus is mentioned and very much a part of biblical scriptures and the Last Supper before Jesus' crucifixion. The reason I first thought this was because the three-quarter white circle sits on the vein. A halo, also known as a nimbus, aureole, gloria or gloriole, is a ring of light that surrounds a person in art, often depicting saints. Halos may be shown as almost any colour, but as they represent light are most often depicted as golden, yellow, white or red when flames are depicted. They have been used in the iconography of many religions to indicate holy or sacred figures, and have at various periods also been used in images of rulers or heroes. In the sacred art of ancient Greece, ancient Rome, Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, and Christianity, among other religions, sacred persons may be depicted with a halo in the form of a circular glow, or in Asian art, flames around the head, or around the whole body. This last often called a mandoria. Another symbolic depiction shows a triumphant Christ, clothed in robes, rather than stripped as for his execution, with arms raised appearing to rise up from the cross, sometimes accompanied by rays of light or an aureole encircling his body. He may be robed as a prophet, crowned as a king, and vested in a stole as great high priest. I have mentioned here many sources, many points for my translation of what the three-quarter white circle could in fact mean. Below are some links that you may wish to look at, and this reaches the end of Ideology Part 3.